Linear functions show up in almost every SAT math test. So today, let's learn them in the easiest way possible. We will be explaining the concept and solving one basic question and one advanced question. So, a linear function is a straight line. It connects every input x to one output y. It's written as y equals mx plus b. Here, m is the slope. It tells us how much y changes when x changes by 1. B is the y-intercept, the point where the line crosses the y-axis when x equals 0. That's it. A straight line, no powers, no curves, just a simple equation. Now, this is the basic question we mostly see in the SAT math. In the function h of 0 equals 41 and h of 1 equals 40. Which equation defines h? Let's find the y-intercept first. When x equals 0, h of 0 equals 41. That means the y-intercept b equals 41. So, h of x equals mx plus 41. Now we need to find the slope m. The slope formula is m equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So here, m equals 40 minus 41 divided by 1 minus 0. That's negative 1 divided by 1, which gives negative 1. Now substitute it back. H of x equals negative x plus 41. So the correct answer is option A. H of x equals negative x plus 41. Now let's solve this advanced question together. We're given that f of x equals 6d times the quantity 20x plus 21 plus 17. And we need to find the x-intercept of y equals f of x plus 9. At the x-intercept, y equals 0, because that's where the line crosses the x-axis. First, we set f of x plus 9 equals 0. This means f of x equals negative 9. Now, we replace f of x with the given expression. So we have 6d times the quantity, 20x plus 21 plus 17 equals negative 9. Next, subtract 17 from both sides. We get 6d times the quantity, 20x plus 21 equals negative 26. Now, divide both sides by 6d to simplify things. This leaves us with 20x plus 21 equals negative 26 divided by 6d. Then, subtract 21 from both sides. You'll get 20x equals negative 26 divided by 6d minus 21. Now, to make things easier, we convert negative 21 into negative 126e divided by 6d. So, the equation becomes 20x equals negative 126d minus 26, all divided by 6d. Now, to isolate x, divide both sides by 20. This gives us x equals negative 126d minus 26, all divided by 120d. So this will be the x-coordinate. Since y equals 0 at the x-intercept, the final coordinate is negative 126d minus 26, all divided by 120d, 0. The correct answer is option A. That's how you solve these linear function problems, from finding the slope to figuring out the x-intercept. If this helped, hit subscribe and keep practicing for your
SAT math.